Iron components have to be degreased before they can be painted. Thin film phosphating is often performed to improve the adhesion of paint or powder coatings. Paint adheres better to a phosphated surface than to an untreated surface. Second advantage, corrosion hardly spreads from a damaged point. On a test sheet, it advanced no more than 5 millimeters within 500 hours in a salt mist. The cleaning agent concentration for phosphating is approximately 0.5 to 1%. It's important to determine the pH value of the cleaning solution. It should be in the range 4.5 to 5 in order to achieve an optimum phosphating process. The metal workpiece is now cleaned slowly from the bottom upwards with a phosphating solution heated to 140 degrees Celsius. It's important that the metal workpiece heats up sufficiently during this process. The back of the workpiece should be treated at the same time. Phosphating with the Kerscher hot water high pressure cleaner has the advantage that any oil or grease stains still on the metal surface are washed away during the phosphating process. The workpiece is then rinsed with hot water, preferably low in lime or demineralized. Compared to an untreated workpiece, the phosphated workpiece has a bluish-grey coating. The very good wetting property, tested here with distilled water, confirms the success of phosphating.